We're here today at the Monarch Imperial for Dettol Beauty Pink Night, Sri Lanka's first ever influencer ramp walk. Dettol, a leading global brand in both health and hygiene, proudly introduced their new skincare soap today, with the event garnering the attention of several beloved and influential female social media personalities in Sri Lanka. So stay tuned to see how you can take a step towards getting better and healthier skin with Dettol skincare soap. My name is Rebecca and you are watching Pulse. Here with me is Lilani Rajapaksha, the Senior Brand Manager for Dettol. So Lilani, we're here at the launch of the Dettol skincare soap for the first time in the Sri Lankan market. What do you have to tell us about this product?
So basically, Dettol Beauty Pink Night. This definitely marks yet another key milestone in our brand journey because today we launched our latest innovation, which is Dettol Skincare Soap. This is actually infused with argan oil, which is very well known for its moisturization properties. Not only that, this product boasts, delightful fresh fragrance, which actually enhance your overall skincare routine as well. At the same time, we do not compromise on the protection that consumers normally seek for from Dettol. So it's quite safe to say that this new innovation, Dettol Skincare Soap, provides a unique and a perfect combination of both beautiful skin as well as trusted Dettol protection.
Joining me is Hasini Gunasekara, one of Sri Lanka's most renowned beauticians. So Hasini, what do you have to say about this event tonight and about the Dettol skincare soap?
I think it's a beautiful event. I think it's lovely to see young girls on ramp and these influencers who we always see on a digital screen. It's lovely to see them on the ramp and with beautiful outfits, and it was, I think, a very empowering event for lots of young people. And I have to say, Dettol's a product that's very close to our heart. We've, grown up with it, and to watch that they've come up with a soap very specific for the skin is amazing. And I think it's high time because cleanliness is such a big part of our lives, and having something that really cares for your skin, having the ingredients it has, argan oil, and being very soft on your skin, it cleanses and it gives you amazing hydration benefits. So I think all that, in a small bar of soap is amazing, and completely, I think the event was definitely a lovely event.
Here with me is Roseanne Dias, who was actually one of the choreographers for the ramp walk that we saw here tonight. So Roseanne, talking about the ramp walk, this is Sri Lanka's first ever influencer ramp walk. What was it like choreographing something like that, given your expertise in this field?
Well, the toughest part was that 80% of them were newcomers, first time on ramp. So for me to bring their essence, their personality out on ramp was the toughest part, because I didn't want it to be too technical. I didn't want it to look like it was choreographed. I just wanted them to feel their presence on ramp. So I think the girls did a very good job. And I think with fashion, comes skincare, comes outer beauty, comes hygiene, comes everything. So Dettol getting together with fashion and then the digital world, I think is a great idea.